If you need to request a refund from Discord, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure you have all necessary information ready before starting. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all relevant details about your purchase, including the transaction ID, the date of purchase, and a payment method used. This information will help expedite your refund request. Step 2. Visit the Discord support page. Go to the Discord support website. Look for the section related to billing or refunds. This is where you will find the necessary options to submit your request. Step 3. Submit a refund request. Fill out the refund request form provided on the support page. Be sure to include all the gathered information and explain the reason for your refund clearly and concisely. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your request, monitor your email for a response from Discord support. They may reach out for additional information or to inform you about the status of your refund. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with Discord support. Provide your original request details to help them assist you more effectively. By following these steps, you can navigate the refund process with Discord more easily. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for assistance.